Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on your VeraWallet account. To change your display language on VeraWallet is super easy. First of all, launch open a web browser to get started. Inside the URL box, type in verawallet.io and search. From the official website for VeraWallet, go ahead and click the login button and log into your account by entering your account's credentials. After you are inside the home page of your wallet, go ahead and click on the My Account button at the top of the screen. Now, under Manage Account, click on the drop-down right next to English or your selected language, and from the options, choose a different language you want to change to. And you will instantly see your wallet's display changed to your selected preferred language. You can go ahead and repeat this step and change to any other language of your choice that is available, and that's how you easily change your language for your VeraWallet. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.